No, I forgot to put it down.
Rolling that over.
Okay, I'm doing eggplant.
Okay. Wow.
4 things that we have to plant.
Alright, got it? Yeah. Okra. Next. Yay! Plant the okra. They're all going to kind of grow together. We're kind of not putting them in their own rows, so. Of course, I'm not sure what you're doing either, but okay. There you go.
Okay.
Chard. Gracie, don't be cussing.
I didn't.
Quit saying chard. Chard.
That's not even... Oh, that's okay.
There you go. Zucchini.
Wait, just
That looks good. Hopefully they all can grow together.
Yeah, I'm gonna get snow.
Hey, whatever works. And that's the zucchini.
Okay. Yep.
Got it.
I need to go change my shoes.
Here, hold on. I gotta cover first.
There's mud.
Put it in the. Here, hold that. I gotta cover this now. Otherwise, the birds will come eat them.
Who's other birds?
Oh, trust me, they already tried to get into my corn. Me and the birds, we're not talking.
Oh, I don't think you can talk to birds. I think
Oh,
only
yeah, you
princesses can.
Right when we get out of here, they're gonna be all in here because they're gonna think we dug up worms for them.
No.
Of course, I'm trying to figure out why there's more seeds on top of the ground.
Just don't worry about it.
That's not the point.
Don't worry about it.
Yeah, but you know I don't like gardens. Of course, we're messing it with the mud, so it'll get all muddy. I gotta make sure that they're
It's like a sink thing. I'm just gonna stay here because
Yours is gonna stick.
I'm already sinking.
Of course, none of this stuff I eat, so it'll be very interesting when it comes up this year, since I never planted. That's why we have it.
2 rows at once.
Better if it wasn't muddy.
I don't know. Like this. There's a bunch of mud on me.
Yeah. Nope.
I feel like it's gonna rain.
Really? What gave you that idea?
The clouds.
Exactly. Alright, let's see here.
Can I take my shoes off now?
We already forgot, right?
Yep.
3 rows.